The next type of accident is very dangerous and one of every cyclist's worst fears. It's the rear-end bike accident. Getting rear-ended by a car while on your bike almost never ends well. Unlike being in a car, we have no protection, so we must do everything we can to avoid this type of collision. But what can we do? Well, we can start by making ourselves obnoxiously visible. Bright lights, highly visible clothing, etc. Also, do your best to choose your ride times when visibility is highest and avoid riding at night if possible. Headlights, tail lights, and reflective gear can save your life. It may seem like bad advice, but do not ride too close to the curb. Drivers will pay more attention to us if we ride about 6 inches inside the white shoulder line and not outside of it or on it. Laws in Massachusetts require motor vehicle operators to maintain a safe distance when overtaking a bicyclist, and general principles of negligent laws will often dictate that the person who hits a cyclist from behind will be held liable for the collision.